Mr. Speaker, as we review this legislation, it is important for us to understand what HB 1528 does not do. It does not take away a tax break for small business. It does not institute a tax hike for any of those businesses. What SB 1528 does do is to keep Oregon's tax system whole. Now, let's review the history. We are debating this bill today because our federal legislators decided late last year to institute massive federal tax reform. In doing so, they created a significant tax deduction for certain businesses. That was their choice. We can't touch that decision. But what we can do here in Oregon is to make good decisions for our own state. We are under no obligation to create an additional state tax break simply because our friends at the federal level created one. That is, in effect, what we would be doing if we do not disconnect. Certainly, tax breaks have value, no question. We construct our tax code to achieve desired policy outcomes. We use deductions, tax credits, and the rate structure to promote certain kinds of business activity. But all of those decisions must always weigh the dual objectives of tax benefits and revenue needs. And right now, I would argue that our state's top priority must be protecting our investments in education and healthcare. I support SB 1528 because it will allow us to protect those critical investments in Oregon's schools, healthcare, and other critical services for families and communities across the state.